everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is on this DIY aloe vera water or juice, however you choose to call it. So I started off by peeling the thorn-like sides, then the top part like so. So you may be wondering why aloe vera on hair and scalp. 1. It nourishes the scalp. 2. Gets rid of dandruff, so if you suffer from it, then this might just be your remedy. 3. It reduces frizziness on natural hair. And 4. It also acts as a leave-in conditioner, or you may also choose to rinse it out if that's what you like. You can also use aloe vera water as a pre-poo before shampooing your hair, and if you're interested in knowing why and how I pre-poo my hair, then just click the link above to get more information about it. You can also hydrate your hair midweek using aloe vera water. So once that is done, I scrape off the white content which I'll be using to make the aloe vera water. Pour it into a blender. Add some water, of which I just eyeball it, and then blend. I then sieve it to avoid any residue which might stick onto my hair, and we don't want that to happen. I then pour it into a spray bottle and it's ready for use. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, like and comment below, and up until the next video, bye bye.